नमस्कार, मी DM कुंभार. द लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल्स या प्रकरणातील प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.3 आज आपण पाहतोय. चला तर पाहू प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.3. So we share the first question as in activity form. Fill in the blanks with correct numbers. आपण इथं पहिला प्रश्न पाहतोय जो ॲक्टिव्हिटीच्या रूपात तुम्हाला इथे दिलेला आहे. सो हिअर गिवन फर्स्ट वन डिटर्मिनंट 3, 2, 4, 5 and solve this. So what is in this first box? So look here, 3 into 5. So already here write 3 into this box. So in this box contain there is 5 minus 2 into 4. So look here, see in this box come here, so 2 into 4 and solve this. 3 into 5, that is a 15. Right here 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8, it is a 7. So as like we solve this first question, then second, find the values of following determinant. Find the values of following determinant. First is we solve this first determinant here, so minus 1 into 4 minus 2 into 7. So right here, so minus 1 into 4 minus 7 into 2. So solve this. Minus 1 into 4, that is a minus 4, and minus 7 into 2, that is a minus 14. So right here, so minus 4 minus 14, and here signs are equal, so we add these two numbers, we get here some minus 18. That means the value of this determinant is minus 18. Then we write here second determinant. You solve this as like here as earlier first. So 5 into 0 minus 7 into 3. So right here, so 5 into 0 minus into minus 7. So 5 into 0, that is 0, and minus 3 into minus 7. So it is a plus 21. So right here, so 0 plus 21. 0 plus 21, it is a 21. Now we solve third example. 7 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2, 1 upon 2. So take cross multiplication here. So 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. So right here, so 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. So solve this. 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2, that is a 7 into 1 upon 3 into 2. So you get here, so 7 upon 6 minus, in this term 5 into 3, that is 15, upon 3 into 2, that is 6. So right here 7 upon 6 minus 15 upon 6. So in these two terms there are denominator is same. So we write here directly 7 minus 15 upon 6. So right here 7 minus 15 upon 6, and simplify again this 7 minus 15, it is a minus 8 upon 6, and solve this, we get here some minus 4 upon 3. So as like we get here some values of this determinants. म्हणजे आपण ह्या तीन एक्झाम्पलच्या सहाय्याने डिटर्मिनंट कसा सोडवायचा आहे ते पाहिलं. नाउ वी सॉल्व हियर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Solve the following simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. Cramer's रूलचा वापर करून एक सामायिक समीकरणे कशी सोडवायची ते आपण इथं पाहणार आहोत. पहिला एक्झाम्पल आहे 3x minus 4y is equal to 10 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. So these are two equations given here. We write here solution of this. So for this solution, we write first here value of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. So by comparing this first equation with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, we get here value of a1, that is a 3. So here coefficient of x, it is a value of a1, so write here 3. Then write here value of b1, that means coefficient of y, so it is minus 4, so write here so b1 is equal to minus 4, and this constant term is here so c1, so write here so c1 is equal to 10. As compared to second equation, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, we get here so value of a2, that is a 4, value of b2, it is a 3, and value of c2, it is a 5. So right here so a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to 3, and c2 is equal to 5. Now we write here determinant first for d. D is equal to in determinant a1, b1, a2, b2. So put up your values. 3 minus 4, 4, 3. आता ह्या सगळ्या किमती आपण इथं काढून घेतलेल्या आहेत, त्यामुळे डायरेक्ट किमती आपण इथं लिहू शकतो. नाउ सॉल्व दिस डिटर्मिनंट्स ॲज क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन. 3 into 3 minus 4 into 4. So right here, son, 3 into 3 minus 4 into 4. Now 3 into 3 that is a 9 and minus 4 into 4 that is a minus 16, but here already minus sign, so minus minus become here plus, so you get here a 9 plus 16, so it is a 25. So here you get value of D, it is a 25. Now we calculate value here dx. We calculate value of dx as a C1 B1 C2 B2, C1 B1 C2 B2. So take your values of this 10 minus 4 5 3. So take cross multiplication here, so 10 into 3 minus 4 into 5. So right here 10 into 3 minus 4 into 5. Now solve this, we get here, so 10 into 3 that is a 10 into 3 that is 30, minus become plus, 4 into 5 that is a 20. So right here, so 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. So this is the value of dx. So right here dx is equal to 50. Now calculate value of dy is equal to a1 c1 a2 c2. So put up here values 3 tens 4 5. Now take cross multiplications, 3 into 5 minus 10 into 4. Now simplify this, 3 into 5 that is 15 minus 10 into 4 that is a minus 40. So right here 15 minus 40 is equal to minus 25. So this is the value of dy. Now using by Cramer's rule, we calculate value of x and y. So right here x is equal to dx upon d. Put up the values, dx is equal to here so 50 and upon d it is a 25. So right here so 50 upon 25. So it is simplify, you get here so 2. So x is equal to 2 years. Now calculate value of y. So y is equal to dy upon d. Put up your values, dy that is a minus 25 and value of d it is a 25. So right here so minus 25 upon 25 it is a minus 1. So this is value of y. Now write your solution. X comma y is equal to 2 minus 1 is the solution of given equation. So as like we solve this first example, now we solve second example. 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. So write your solution. First you observe these equations in the form of, is it in the form of a1x plus b1y is equal to c1? It is not. So it first you convert in the form of a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. So take this minus 4 on this side, it become plus 4. So you get your equation 4x plus 3y is equal to 4. And in this equation you take here some minus 5y in this side, it become plus 5y. So 6x plus 5y is equal to 8. So this is second equation. 6x is equal to 5y is equal to 8. Now compare this equation as ax plus by is equal to c. You calculate here value of a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2. We write here directly a1 is equal to 4, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to 4, and a2 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to 5, and c2 is equal to 8. Now write here determinant d. a1 b1 a2 b2, put up the values 4 3 6 5. Take cross multiplication in this. So right here so 4 into 5 and 3 minus 6. Simplify this, 4 into 5 that 20 minus 3 into 6 that is 18. So 20 minus 18 it is a 2. So this is the value of d. Now you calculate value of dx. c1 b1 c2 b2, put up the values. For c1 b1 you write here so 4 3 and for c2 b2 you write here so 8 5. Now you take cross multiplication, 4 into 5 minus 3 into 8. So right here so 4 into 5 minus 3 into 8. Now solve this, you get here so 4 into 5 that is a 20 minus 3 into 8 that is a 24. So you write here so 20 minus 24, and as simplification you get here so dx is equal to minus 4. So this is the value of dx. Now calculate value of dy. a1 c1 a2 b2. Write here value of this. For a1 c1 you write here 4 4, and for a2 c2 you write here so 6 8. Now you take here cross multiplication, 4 into 8 minus 4 into 6. Now simplify this, 4 into 8 that is a 32 minus 4 into 6 that is a 24. So right here 32 minus 24. Now you subtract this, you get here so dy is equal to 8. So this is the value of dy. Now by using Cramer's rule, you calculate value of x and y. So write here formula for x, that is the dx upon d. Now put up the values. Dx is here so minus 4 and d is here so 2. So write here so minus 4 upon 2. So minus 4 upon 2 it is a minus 2. So this is value for x, it is equal to minus 2. Now calculate value of y. Y is equal to dy upon d. Now put up the values. Dy is equal to 8 and d is equal to 2. So write here so 8 upon 2 and calculate this. You get here y is equal to 4. So this is the value for y. Now write the solution. Therefore x comma y is equal to minus 2, 4 is the solution of given equation. Now we solve here third example. Third example is here so x plus 2y is equal to minus 1 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So write your solution for this, and first you calculate value of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 as compare ax plus by is equal to c. So write these two equation. X plus 2y is equal to minus 1 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Now compare this equation. This is first equation as a1 x plus b1 y is equal to c1. You get your value. a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 2 and c1 is equal to minus 1. Now this second equation you compare as a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. You get your value a2 is equal to 2 and b2 is equal to minus 3. Right here b2 is equal to minus 3 and c2 is equal to 12. Now calculate the value for determinant d, a1, b1, a2, b2. Put up the values. For a1, b1 you write here so 1, 2 and for a2, b2 you write here so 2 minus 3. Now take cross multiplication and solve this. 1 into minus 3 right here so 2 into 2 right here and solve this. 1 into minus 3 that is minus 3 and minus 2 into 2 that is minus 4. So right here minus 3 minus 4. After summation you get here so minus 7. So this is the value of d. Now calculate value of dx in determinant c1 b1 c2 b2. Put up the values here. For c1 b1 you write here so minus 1 2 and for c2 b2 you write here 12 minus 3. Now take cross multiplication. Minus 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 12. So right here minus 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 12. Now simplify this. Minus 1 into minus 3 that is the plus 3 minus 2 into 12 that is the minus 24. So right here 3 minus 24. So you get here minus 21. This is the value for dx is equal to minus 21. Now calculate value for dy a1, c1, a2, c2. Put up the values. For a1, c1 it is a 1 minus 1 and for a2, c2 it is a 2 12. Now take cross multiplication. 1 into 12 minus minus 1 into 2 right here 1 into 12 minus into minus 1 into 2. So 1 into 12 that is a 12 minus minus become plus 1 into 2 2. So 12 plus 2 right here 12 plus 2 it is 14. So this is the value for dy. Now using by Cramer's rule we calculate value of x and y. So right here x is equal to dx upon d. Put up the values. Dx that is a minus 21 and d is a minus 7. So right here minus 21 upon minus 7. So it is a 3. So this is the value for x. Now calculate y. Y is equal to dy upon d. Put up your values. Dy that is a 14 upon d that means minus 7. So right here so 14 upon minus 7. So by simplifying you get here so y is equal to minus 2. So this is value for y. And write here solution. X comma y is equal to 3 minus 2 is the solution of given equation. So as like we share the third example, now we share the fourth example. Fourth example is here so 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12. 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. Write your solutions. So write first equation as it is 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12 and second equation as it is 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. Now first equation you compare as a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. So write your value for a1 it is a 6, for b1 write your minus 4 and for c1 you write your minus 12. Now second equation you compare as a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So value for A2 it is a 8, value for B2 it is a -3, and value for C2 it is a -2. Now calculate value for determinant D, A1, B1, A2, B2, put up the values. For A1, B1 you write here 6 minus 4, and for A2, B2 you write here 8 minus 3. So take cross multiplication here, 6 into -3 minus 4 into 8, right here 6 into -3 minus 4 into 8. Now simplify this, 6 into -3, that is a -18, and here minus become plus, 4 into 8, that is a 32. So right here -18 plus 32. After simplification you get here so D is equal to 14. So this is value for D. Now calculate value for dx. C1 B1 C2 B2, put up your values. For C1 B1 it is a -12 -4, and for C2 B2 it is a -2 -3. So take cross multiplication here, so -12 into -3 into -4 into -2. So right here so -12 into -3 -4 into -2. Now simplify this, you get here so -12 into -3, that is a 36, and here minus become plus, but this minus become here again minus. So you get here so 4 into 2, that is a 8, but for this minus sign it is a -8. So write 36 minus 8, and 36 minus 8 it is a 28. So dx is equal to 28. Now calculate value for dy, A1 C1 A2 C2. So right here value A1 C1 you write here 6 minus 12, and A2 C2 that is a 8 minus 2. Now take cross multiplication, 6 into -2 and -12 into 8. So right here 6 into -2 minus -12 into 8. Now 6 into 2, that is a -12, here minus become plus, and 12 into 8, that is a 96. So right here -12 plus 96. Now simplify this, -12 plus 96, so you get here so 84. So this is value for dy. Now using by Cramer's rule, you calculate value of x and y. So right here so x is equal to dx upon d. Put up the values, dx it is a 28 and d is here so 14. So right here 28 upon 14 is equal to 2. So this is value for x. Calculate value for y. Right here so dy upon d. Put up the values, 84 upon 14, and as simplify you get your y is equal to 6. So this is value for y. So our solution is x comma y is equal to 2 comma 6 is the solution of given equation. So as like we solve this fourth example, now we share the fifth example. So in this fifth example, 4m plus 6n is equal to 54, 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. So write your solution. Now observe here, this given equation are in variables m and n. आतापर्यंत तुम्ही जी इक्वेशन बघितला त्यांचे व्हेरिएबल x आणि y होते. आता इथे व्हेरिएबल m आणि n आहेत. त्या पद्धतीनेच आपण फॉर्म्युला लिहायचे आहेत. सो राइट दिस फर्स्ट इक्वेशन 4m plus 6n is equal to 54, 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. So as compare a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, you get here value of a1 is equal to 4, b is equal to 6, and c1 is equal to 54. Now compare this second equation, you get here a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 2, and c2 is equal to 28. Now calculate value for d as determinant a1 b1 and a2 b2. Put up the values. For a1 b1 you write here so 4 6, write here 4 6, and for a2 b2 there are value 3 2, so write here 3 2. Now take cross multiplication, 4 into 2 minus 6 into 3, so write here so 4 into 2 minus 6 into 3, 4 into 2 that is 8 minus 6 into 3 that is 18, so write here so 8 minus 18 is equal to minus 10. So these are the value for d. Now you write next determinants as a dm. म्हणजे आतापर्यंत आपण dx लिहित होतो, आता काय लिहिणार आपण dm लिहिणार आहोत. सो राइट हियर dm इज इक्वल टू c1 b1 c2 b2. म्हणजे व्हेरिएबल कुठलं जरी असलं, व्हेरिएबल कोणतेही असलं तर आपला फॉर्म्युला काही चेंज होत नाही. a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 ह्या किमती तुम्ही सहजपणे काढू शकता. सो पुट अप हियर व्हॅल्यूज for a1 b1 54 6, and for c2 b2 it is a 28 2. Now take cross multiplication, 54 into 2 minus 6 into 28, right here so 54 into 2 minus 6 into 28. So simplify this, you get 54 into 2, that is 108, minus 6 into 28, it is 168. So right here 108 minus 168, after simplification you get here some minus 60. So this is value for dm is equal to minus 60. Now calculate value for dn is equal to a1 c1 a2 c2. Now put up the values. For a1 c1, that is a 4 54, and a2 c2 it is a 3 28. Take cross multiplication, 4 into 28 minus 54 into 3. So right here, so 4 into 28 minus 54 into 3 is equal to 4 into 28, this is a 112 minus 54 into 3, that is 162. Now simplify this, you get here minus 50. So dn is equal to minus 50. Right here values, dn is equal to minus 50. Now using by Cramer's rule, we calculate value for m. Right here dm upon d. म्हणजे आपण आतापर्यंत x is equal to dx upon d लिहित होतो. आता व्हेरिएबल m असल्यामुळे आपण काय करतोय, m is equal to dm upon d. So right here values, dm is equal to minus 60 and d is equal to minus 10. So divide by this, you get m is equal to 6. So these are value for 6. Now n is equal to dn upon d. Put up the values, dn is equal to minus 50 and d is equal to minus 10. So right here values minus 50 upon minus 10. It simplifies, you get here so n is equal to 5. So this is value for n. So right here solution, m comma n is equal to 6, 5 is the solution of given equations. आतापर्यंत आपण 5 एक्झाम्पल सोडवले. 5 एक्झाम्पल सोडवण्याची पद्धत एकच आहे, मेथड एकच आहे. फक्त एक्झाम्पलमध्ये काय केलेत, अंक बदललेत. गणित सोडवण्याची पद्धत कुठेही बदललेली नाही. आता शेवटचं गणित ह्यातलं बघतोय आपण. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 6. So look here, 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, that is first equation. X minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. So write here solution. Write first equation as it is. पहिलं इक्वेशन आहे तसं आपण लिहितोय, पण दुसरं इक्वेशन x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 आहे. अशा किमती तुम्ही घेतला किंवा आहे असं इक्वेशन घेतलं तर कॅल्क्युलेशन करायला थोडंसं किचकट जाणार. म्हणून आपण हे इक्वेशन सिम्प्लिफाय करतोय. तर काय करतोय, तर डिनॉमिनेटरमध्ये 2 आहे, 2 आहे. या 2 न प्रत्येक टर्मला डिवाइड करून जे इक्वेशन आपल्याला मिळेल ते इक्वेशन इथे मी लिहितोय. बघा इथं 2 न मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर 2x होणार. मायनस वाय अपॉन 2 इथं मल्टिप्लाय 2 केलं तर 2 कॅन्सल होणार, राहणार फक्त y. आणि 1 upon 2 into 2, that is 2 to get cancel, remaining here only 1. So write here new equation, 2x minus y is equal to 1. Now calculate value for first equation a1 b1 c1. Write here a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to 2. And from these second equation you get your value a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 1 and c2 is equal to 1. So calculate value for d, a1 b1 a2 b2. So write for value a1 b1 it is a 2 3 and for a2 b2 it is a 2 minus 1. So take cross multiplication, 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into 2. So right here, so 2 into minus 1 minus 2 into 3. So 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2, minus 2 into 3 minus 6. So right here minus 2 minus 6 it is a minus 8. So this is value for d. Now dx is equal to, in determinant c1 b1 c2 b2. So put up values for c1 b1 it is a 2 3 and c2 b2 it is a 1 minus 1. Now take cross multiplication, 2 into minus 1 and minus 3 into 1. So right here 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into 1. So right here. Now simplify this, 2 into minus 1 that is a minus 2 and minus 3 into 1 it is a minus 3. So right here minus 2 minus 3. So you get here some minus 5. This is value for dx. So these are the value for dx is equal to minus 5. Now calculate value for dy, a1 c1 a2 c2. Put up the values, 2 2 for this a1 c1 and 2 1 for this a2 c2. Now take cross multiplication, 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2. Right here 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2. Now 2 into 1 that is a 2 and minus 2 into 2 that is a 4. So right here 2 minus 4 and you get here answer dy is equal to minus 2. So this is value for dy. Now using by Cramer's rule, we write here value for x, that is a dx upon d. Dx upon d. So write here value for dx. So dx is equal to here some minus 5. So write here minus 5 and d is equal to minus 8. So write here some minus 8. Minus 5 upon minus 8. So right here x is equal to 5 upon 8 because your minus minus become plus. So this is value for x is equal to 5 upon 8. Now y is equal to dy upon d. So right here value for dy it is a -2 and d is equal to -8. So right here -2 upon -8. So as simplify you get here some 1 upon 4 minus minus become here plus. So these are the values for y. It is a 1 upon 4. So our answer is x comma y is equal to 5 upon 8 comma 1 upon 4 is the solution of given equation. So as like we solve all example in practice set 1.3 अशा पद्धतीने आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.3 मध्ये सर्व एक्झाम्पल सोडवलेले आहेत. नाव वी स्टॉप हियर्स. आता आपण इथंच थांबतोय. पुन्हा भेटतोय पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये याचाच पुढचा भाग घेऊन. तोपर्यंत सर्वांना धन्यवाद. बाय बाय. सी यू वन्स अगेन. पण अजूनसुद्धा तुम्ही हे चॅनल जर सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल, लाईक केलं नसेल, शेअर केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा, लाईक करा, शेअर करा.